This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Robin West. Discover the allure of this one-of-a-kind 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath residence, meticulously designed and crafted by the owner, a renowned Virginia Beach architect. Combining beauty and function with a contemporary open floor plan bathed in natural light, this home offers a serene retreat from the everyday hustle. Embrace outdoor living with a sprawling 42-feet saltwater pool, charming gazebo nestled under a pergola, and expansive deck perfect for entertaining. Upgrades include an aluminum roof, encapsulated crawl space for added insulation, and premium Anderson windows and doors. With natural woods contrasted against white curvilinear walls, this home effortlessly blends functionality with sophistication. Experience the epitome of seamless indoor-outdoor living and elevate your lifestyle in this architectural masterpiece. Kitchen chandelier does not convey. May 1, 2024. For more information, review the details below.